Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Audience Connector. Audience connect with us everywhere on social media, on all the platforms. We share ways on how you can make money online. We share digital marketing platforms and techniques that can help you as an individual, as a business, and as a group to help you grow. We are the platform that keeps on sharing content that is full of value. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe so that whenever we drop another video, you are the first person to know. Otherwise, let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. Let's get to the video of today. Alright, cool. So on today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to generate a script. If you've been on my channel for some time, or you watch some few videos, you know that I always talk about that. I always say that email marketing is one of the effective marketing technique that one can use to convert people, to make sales, to capture some leads, but is one of the effective. Now, as much as you can do email marketing, it all comes to messaging. What you put them in your email marketing, and I have just a tool to help you do that. Generate scripts, generates emails that's gonna make sure that whoever reads your email, they stand a higher chance of converting. And if you also want to have access to Builderall for free, I'm gonna drop the link in the description so you can start signing up, and you can also have this beautiful dashboard here and have all these options available to you. But on this video, I'm just gonna go to the script generator. By the way, before I go to script generator, Builderall has got a special. So if you pay only $1, it's gonna give you a free trial to use all their tools. So you're gonna be a premium member, and this includes all of this and more. For $1, you're gonna be using all of these tools for $1 a month, and after then you can decide if you can continue or not. But I've said this before, Builderall has got all the tools that you need to conquer online, that you need. So this is gonna come in handy. It's got a lot, but today I just want to touch base on the script generator. Right, let's get to it. If you already are on Builderall, once you signed up, you're gonna go to script generator. Now once you get to script generator, this is a place where it's gonna help you to generate some script that's gonna help you convert your users. The first thing that you want to do when you get here, you want to make sure that you create a new avatar. Already I got my profile set up here, so you want to make sure that you come here first and fill in the details here. But because I already have my avatar there, so as you can see here, this here are my details. So before you can build it all, it's gonna help you to generate some very good script based on the information that you provide. Once you added the details that is needed, you're gonna go to generate script. Now this is where the magic happens. I mean, look at this. And by the way, I'm using this as a free user, so imagine if you were taking that premium offer at $1, you're gonna have a lot of options to choose from. So let's just say maybe you wanna write an email to the audience. Let's just say maybe in this case, so you can choose here. If let's just say maybe what you're promoting is all about health fitness, you're gonna select here, or maybe local businesses, you wanna sell something to only local businesses, or maybe it's about coaching, so there's just a lot to choose from here. On this one, we're just gonna go with affiliate marketing, and from there I'm just gonna choose email script. So let's just go with flash sale email series. And you see, voila, so it's gonna show you. So you see you have a message 2, you have message 1, so it's showing you options that you can choose from. This is like a template, so you can edit it. Let me just say, maybe you are selling this is an affiliate for a juice, so you can just edit this. But then these are proven scripts that have converted a lot of users, a lot of leads into sales. They've been proven to be the best performing. You don't need to be scratching your head for hours thinking about what you can write about. If you have this tool here, you can just use thousands and a lot of templates found on Builderall script generator. Once you got what you're looking for and edited your script, you can name this template. Maybe let's just say you want to use it again next month, or maybe you want to use it again tomorrow. You can just name the script and save the script. And once you're done, you have an option to export your script into PDF, PPT, or Word. That's it, guys. This is where the magic happens. You don't need to be scratching your head or duplicating someone else's ideas online. This is the tool for you if you are doing email marketing or you want to start doing email marketing, because it's gonna help you. Alright guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Otherwise, I am gonna see you on the next video. Keep safe. I love you. Ciao.